And last, we have a two-piece. Ooh, this is hot. Okay. Energy, energy, energy. Hello, dolls. I'm back, and today I will be doing an unboxing of my new inventory. I'm so excited to take pictures in these looks. They're so cute. But before we get into this video, please like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Okay, dolls, so let's get into it. If you're an aspiring entrepreneur and need help with where to get started with your business, I definitely can help you. I will link below my ebook so it can help you with vendors, tax information, all that you need to know how to get started. But also, I am going to be lifetime mentoring for you. So whenever you have a question for me, I definitely will help you. So don't forget to click the link below so you can get started. So let's get into this video. I am so excited. Oh my God, I'm so excited to try these outfits on. I'm gonna take pictures outside since it's beautiful outside today. So I'm gonna do an outdoor shoot. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So let's see what I got. So I got a few things just to start off because I already have a bunch of inventory ready for the summer because we're gonna have a summer this year. We're not gonna be in the house anymore. We're gonna be out here, but we're gonna be safe at the same time and also fly. So let's go and see what I got. I was super surprised at how fast this vendor shipped out my order. I was like, maybe I will get it next week, but it arrived today. I was like, oh. So I was like, oh, okay. I can go ahead and just do some pictures. I haven't ordered anything in a while since we had the whole COVID-19 thing going on. I've just been trying to just work with what I have and basically doing drop shipping from vendors directly because it's just less of a hassle and very convenient for my customers. So are you ready to see what I got? Are you ready? I'm ready. Here's the box. So many bright colors. I love, 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 love bright colors. So this two-piece here is super cute. I feel like you can wear this like now, since we're in spring right now, but also like people shop to just have stuff in their closet because you know that this look is going to be cute when you're ready to rock it. So it's a little crop top. This is actually a fuzzy two-piece, so people might say it might be too warm for this, but honey, this weather doesn't know what it wants to do sometimes. It'd be cold one day, and next day it's like really, really hot. So just order it to have in your closet. Super cute. So it's a top and some straight leg pants. I just love this color. You guys, look at the details. Look at that. Wow. So cute. That's look number one. Then I have some shorts. Look at the quality. You guys, you definitely will love this vendor. The shorts. And then it comes in several colors, but I'm going to just stick to this for this video. It has like a hoodie, little crop top. Everybody loves sets. The most popular items on my website are two pieces and jumpsuits. So that's that look. This outfit right here gives me Miami vibes. When I originally started my store, I wanted to have my store in Miami. This is really like J-Lo inspired. Like, look at this. It's a jumpsuit. Deep V. Little cut in the stomach area here. The back doesn't have any cut. When I saw this look online, I thought it was a two-piece, but the jumpsuit will work for my dolls. So cute. That's that look. We got 2 more looks to go. When you buy your stuff, it comes in bulks. So whenever you are shopping, keep in mind some vendors do 3 packs, they do 6, and it depends on what you're buying. Like the shoes, you gotta buy like 12, I believe. Another jumpsuit. Look how long this is, you guys. Definitely check out my Instagram. I'm gonna post pictures so you can see it on me because, honey, these looks are looks. It's a look. Okay? So it's a long jumpsuit. It's not cheesy like whenever you order from those China websites. Sometimes you never know what you're gonna get because you see it online like, oh, that model looks good. So I have a free tip for those entrepreneurs that are wanting to start their boutique. Everyone starts off with stock photos. The best thing that you can do for your business is get in front of the camera yourself. You are your brand. So this jumpsuit is long. It has huge flare legs. I cannot wait to try this on. I love flares, and especially if it's the right kind of flare. Like huge. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And last, we have a 2-piece. Ooh, this is hot. Okay. Energy, energy, energy. So it's a 2-piece bodysuit. And then it comes with the mesh pants. So ladies, you can wear this out and about to the club. I recommend not to Aldi's. Don't do that. Or you can like wear it as a cover up when you go on the beach. Whenever the beach decides to open up, you know what it is. Since we are in quarantine, the beaches are closed. The cities are starting to open back up. So this is a look. You can wear this by itself with some jeans. Depends on your discretion. That's your business. But look though, you can get 3 looks in one. I love variety. So those are the looks so far. I'm going to definitely do more unboxing videos. If you're interested in more try-on hauls, let me know below. And also, don't forget what I said. Check out my Instagram for those pictures because it is going to be fire. Until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.